Crude oil made a dramatic comeback. After dropping 10.5% over 5 days, the bull stepped in, pushing CL up 9%. Support level at $76 was broken, leading to a sharp decline. The current move, bulls erased most losses, bidding CL up to 6 out of 7 sessions. For trade ideas, breakout trades, entry if CL breaks and closes above the 100-day MA at 79.44, stop loss just below the breakout candle, and take profit with quick scalp the next day. For a support bounce, entry on a pullback and bounce at 77, stop loss below the recent low at 76.50, and take profit, first target the 100-day MA at 79.44 and then 50-day MA at 80.11. Crude oil is in a sideways range. With recent news about Saudis refusing to sell oil in dollars, expect volatility, stick to short-term trades, and take profit quickly. Stay tuned and trade smart.